I'm a Cisco CCIE Security engineer, and I've seen companies lose millions because of simple network security mistakes. Today I'm breaking down the 5 most expensive mistakes I see and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, flat networks. I walked into a large healthcare provider last year. 5,000 employees, hundreds of medical devices, and their network? Completely flat. Everything on one network. One breach means total compromise. The fix? Micro-segmentation and zero-trust architecture. Mistake number 2, set it and forget it security. Companies buy expensive firewalls, then never update them. I've seen Fortune 500 companies running 5-year-old firmware. The fix? Quarterly security audits at minimum. Mistake number 3, ignoring insider threats. 60% of breaches involve insiders, employees, contractors, vendors. The fix? Role-based access control and log everything. Mistake number 4, weak wireless. Companies spend $500,000 on wired infrastructure, then deploy consumer-grade access points. The fix? Enterprise-grade APs, separate SSIDs for guest and corporate, and WPA3. Mistake number 5, no disaster recovery plan. If your data center flooded tomorrow, how long until you're back online? Most companies don't know. The fix? Cloud backup, failover sites, and DR drills twice a year. These mistakes are common and expensive, but they're all fixable. If you want a free 15-minute network assessment, check the link in the description. No sales pitch, just honest advice from a CCIE security engineer. Like and subscribe for more IT infrastructure insights.